You like to have a huge screen, but most of the time it's too expensive? I have a solution for you. Laser projector from AliExpress with all kinds of discount codes. Let's unbox it. And to full transparency, AliExpress sent me that projector. No money, exchange hands. And in the box we can find a power cable, remote control, no batteries included, AAA, 2 of them. Manual, which is in English, German, French and Russian. And the device, which has HDMI, USB, headphone jack, power button, built-in speaker, and zoom rocker. And of course you can mount it on a tripod if you wanted to. The model number is right there. Understand how loud it is? That's the mic. And there it is, and that's the menu for it, a smart menu. And from a 1.5 meter, we do have 1.5 meter screen. And like that will be 70-inch screen. 73 to exact. 73 inch from 1.5 meter. That is really good with a zoom. I mean, we can go further. Is it going to be any dimmer? Not really. We have to adjust the focus. All right, there it is. Okay, and now from 2 meters, we do have, well, 2.3 meters. And in inches, this will be, well, 100-inch screen from 2 meters. 100-inch, that is a lot. Let's see what we got. And we do have Netflix, YouTube, apps store, hitting the App Store. All right. Disney Plus, Prime Video, Kodi, I'm not sure what that is. All right. HBO Max, Chrome, App Store. Okay, I like that. Oh, we're already in there. All right. All right. But there's more. HDMI. It shows HDMI files. If we hit files, internal storage is 8 GB total. That's 3.8 is already taken by the system. And if we hit internal storage, that's basically Android. We even have ringtones. There's no ringtones pre-installed here, but that's Android theme. Of course, we do have a selection for video, pictures, music, and files. Going back, we do have a settings, network, Bluetooth, languages. Let me show you all the languages. And there are plenty of them. Wow, so many languages. Maybe even all of them. Let me be a bit quicker. Did you spot your language? Wow. An input selector if you want to connect a keyboard or stuff like that. Other settings, application settings. All right, reset, about the device, date, audio, I put it on max, and projector settings. Screen zoom, now it's on the maximum. Of course, the lower zoom is, the better the quality should be. And let's stick with the maximum zoom. Projector mode, so you can put it on the front, rear, ceiling, or rear ceiling. And keystone correction, which I never use because it's weird. It is weird. You can do it manually if you wanted to. Or initial correction could be reset also. All right, hitting the applications. Oh, I think I got them all already. So, calculator, manager, screening, so you can connect your smartphone into it. And just like that, casting, it should find a projector, and there it is available, connecting to it. And here we are connecting to a device, and we can use a smartphone as a touchpad, just like that. That is super cool. We also have a couple of features like mouse tripod and all this stuff. You can hit desktop, video chat, game, or mirror the device. If you hit desktop, then we'll have basically a desktop view. Okay, Google Play Store. And I can see we have all kinds of stuff. Maybe if I turn off that light above it completely. Oh, it's much better. Like you can see, we have all kinds of games and stuff, and it is quite fast. And here we are. What should we take? I don't know, have some weird videos. Okay, maybe whatever. Let's take this one. And that's the sound from internal speakers, which is okay, I guess. Front-facing camera, 4K 16, both of them very wide. Looks okay. It's okay, I guess. Okay, let me take this one. 9 Pro. Now that is a crisp image. Crisp. This smartphone can go all the way to definitely not a high resolution, but at the moment we're in a 4K 60 in the wide-angle lens with internal microphones. Video stabilization. 720p, that's the max. No, we can go 4K. Nice. Are we? I've switched to Full HD, and it's nice. Okay. Really nice. Do remember that it's a very inexpensive device. I'm shocked how good it is. Colors and the speaker, of course. Oh, that's great. And what did we learn in this video? And we learned that the smart feature in such a projector are great. You basically don't need anything but power and the internet, of course. You can like stream the internet from your smartphone. You can cast the view from your smartphone. You can do all kinds of things with such a small device. And I think it's a great also for children. Sometimes you don't want your children to play around close to the expensive TV. You see, anything could happen. And with such a device, of course, you can connect external speakers to it. I mean, the built-in speaker is plenty enough for children. But if you want more power, then why not? It is possible, and you will have a complete set. I had more expensive dinner without the tip than such a device. So it's more than I expected. And that's all I got. See you next video. Bye.